Hello everyone, welcome to CareerDeed. In today's session, we will be discussing data arrangement problems for Infosys. So not only for Infosys, if you take major campus interviews or competitive exams, data arrangement problems are very popular. So to understand data arrangement, you need a little patience and you have to watch the video till the end. So people might wonder, so how difficult this data arrangement problem is. So I will show you how to solve this kind of problems easily. Let's enter into our question now. Okay, here you have a big paragraph and you have some hints. Five persons, Anand, Bala, Chidambaram, Dhanush, and Inder of a family eats grapes, apples, cherries, mangoes, and pineapples, not in the order as mentioned, after lunch from Tuesday to Saturday. So here you have three data. So the data is you have five friends, and these five friends eats five fruits in 5 consecutive days from Tuesday to Saturday. No member eats any fruit on Sunday and Monday. So we can make Sunday and Monday holiday. Okay. Now each member eats only one fruit on one day and does not repeat it during the same week. Okay. That means, for example, if you take Anand, if he eats grapes on Tuesday, he cannot eat same grapes on any other days. That means each person will eat only one fruit on one particular day, not on other days. No two members can eat the same fruit on the same day. Okay, here repetition is not allowed in simple. For example, if Anand eats grapes on Tuesday, no other can eat same fruit, that is grapes, on same Tuesday. So this is what given here. So first we have to make a structure for this, and you have some hints here. So after making the structure, you have to mark these hints in the pictorial format, right? So it is very, very simple. So before that, I will take my video out so that we will get more space here. Okay. So first we write the name of friends. So name of friends, then days, then we have fruits. So for Anand, I write as A, or we can make it as Anand itself. So Anand, so he eat on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Next, Bala. Bala also eats on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Next, we have Chidambaram. He also eats on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Next, we have Dhanush. So Dhanush eats on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And finally, we have Inder. So Inder also eats on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now to differentiate, I will give colors for all these five friends. Okay, next, let's go for hints. Inder does not eat cherries or grapes on Wednesday. So Inder does not eat cherries or grapes on Wednesday. So we have to write cherries or grapes here, then strike it. Cherries or grapes, then strike it. Next, Anand eats cherries on Tuesday. So Anand eats cherries on Tuesday. So write cherries on Tuesday for Anand. Next, Dhanush eat apple on Tuesday. So on Tuesday he will eat apple. Dhanush will eat apple. Next, Inder does not take pineapples on Tuesday. So Inder does not take pineapples on Tuesday. So write pineapple, then strike it down. It means he will not eat that. But takes apple on Thursday. So he will take apple on Thursday. Next, Bala eats pineapple on Friday. Bala eats pineapple on Friday. So for Friday, write pineapple for Bala. Okay. Next, Chidambaram eats grapes on Saturday, cherries on Wednesday, and mangoes on Thursday. Yes, we have a huge hint in this point. So Chidambaram eats grapes on Saturday, cherries on Wednesday, then mangoes on Thursday. mangoes on Thursday. Next, you have last hint. Dhanush eat pineapple on Wednesday. So we have to write pineapple for Dhanush on Wednesday. So we have to fill the rest of the days. Now we have how many fruits? We have only 5 fruits. So I will change color. Okay, I will change it as okay light blue. So we have grapes, apples, cherries, mangoes, and pineapples. Mangoes and pineapples. Okay, now let's start with Tuesday. So on Tuesday, Inder will not eat pineapple. Dhanush eat apple. So apple is filled. Next, Anand eat cherries. So cherry is also filled. So we are left with grapes, mangoes, and pineapple. If you take Inder, you can't fix apple, right? Okay, so apple is already filled and cherries is already filled. So you have grapes, mangoes, and pineapple need to be filled. So you cannot fill pineapple for Inder on Tuesday because he will not eat pineapple. So what else you can fill? We have grapes and mangoes remaining. So you can fill with grapes or mangoes, right? So you have two options. So we shall write two options here. Next, go for Bala. So you cannot fix pineapple for Bala because he already eat pineapple on Friday. So you have only two options. So the options are grapes and mango. So same, fit grapes and mango here. Grapes or mango. Okay. Next, coming to Chidambaram. So you have Tuesday empty. You can't fill grapes or mango, right? So you cannot fill grapes or mango because already he eat grapes on Saturday and mango on Thursday. So you are left with only pineapple. So you can fill pineapple here. So we managed to fill Tuesday now. So in Tuesday, now you have filled everything and Bala and Inder only we have possibility cases. So we haven't fitted. Next, we erase this. Now Tuesday is over. Next, go for Wednesday. Okay, on Wednesday, Inder will not. Okay, already for Wednesday, Chidambaram eat cherries and Dhanush eat pineapple. So you are left with grapes, apple, and mango. Okay, let's start with Inder now. So Inder will not eat cherries or grapes on Wednesday, right? So cherries and grapes on Wednesday. So you cannot fix cherries or grapes. Uh, Okay, cherries are grapes. Next, you cannot fix apple also because apple he eat only on Thursday. So you are left with only with mangoes, right? So fill this mango here. So in the eat mango on Wednesday. So if you fix mango here, you cannot fix mango for Tuesday, right? Because he can eat only one fruit on one day, right? So if you fix mango on Wednesday, you cannot fix on Tuesday. Now, if you fix grapes for Inder on Tuesday, you cannot fix the same grape for Bala on Tuesday. So Bala eat mango on Tuesday and Inder eats grapes on Tuesday. Now we have fixed mango also. Now you are left with only two fruits, grapes and apple for Wednesday. Okay, now you have two options. You can fix grape or apple on Wednesday for Anand. So it can be a grape or apple. Next, if you take Wednesday for Bala, so he can also eat grape or apple. Okay, we have fixed for Wednesday now. Let's go for okay. Now before that, we have Chidambaram. So Chidambaram eat pineapple on Tuesday, cherries on Wednesday, mango on Thursday, and grapes on Saturday. Now you have only one fruit pending. So what is it? So we fixed pineapple, mango, cherries. So we have apple pending, right? So we can fix apple for Chidambaram on Friday. Okay, so we fixed all 5 fruits for Chidambaram now. Now let's go with Thursday. Now, before that, we have to erase that, right? So just write whatever is there in the hint, okay? Next, go for Thursday. So on Thursday, in the eat apple. Okay, we already fixed apple. Next, Chidambaram eat mango. So we fixed mango for Chidambaram. Next, okay, that's it. So we have the fruits, grapes, cherries, and pineapple. So you cannot fix pineapple for Dhanush because he already ate pineapple on Wednesday. So you are left with grapes or cherries now. So we can fix grapes or cherries now. grapes or cherries. Next, coming to Thursday. Now Thursday again you cannot fix pineapple for Bala because he eats Friday pineapple. So you can fix a grape or cherry. Grape or cherry. Next, coming to Anand. So for Anand, you cannot fix cherries because he already eats cherries on Tuesday. So you can fix grapes or pineapple. Okay, now we completed for Thursday. Now let's go for Friday. Before that, we erase this. Okay, on Friday, okay, now before that, for Friday, we completed for Bala, so it is pineapple. For Friday, Chidambaram eats apple, and you have grapes, cherries, and mangoes. Now for Friday, what are all the fruits we have pending? Grapes, cherries, mangoes. So grapes and mangoes already filled for in there, right? So grapes and mango already we have filled for in there. Now we were left only with cherries. So fill cherries on Friday for in there. Okay, now if we filled with cherries now if you take in there grapes, mango, apple, cherry, and we have one fruit pineapple, so we can fill it here pineapple. Okay, we filled with pineapple. So Inder is completed and Chidambaram is completed. Okay, now let's go for Dhanush. Now, what are all the options Dhanush have? So we filled with apple, cherries, and pineapple. So we have only grapes and mango. Now we can fill this with grape or mango. So write grape or mango here. Again, if you take Anand, you can fill with, okay, so grape or mango. So again, you can fill with grape or mango. Now finally, we are at Saturday. So we have filled for Friday also, right? So we go for Saturday now. Okay, on Saturday, you have Dhanush pending and Anand as well as Bala pending. Okay, what are all the fruits we have filled for Chidambaram? So for Chidambaram, we filled with grapes, and for Inder, we filled with pineapple. So you have apple, cherry, and mango pending. Now, if you take Dhanush, you cannot fill with apple because already we filled apple on Tuesday. Next, we have, okay, so we filled with apple. So we have only cherries and mango, right? So you can fill this with cherries or mango. You have two options. So write both the options. Next, when coming to Bala, right? So Bala, you already filled with mango on Tuesday. So you cannot fill with mango. So you have only two options, cherries or apple. So you can fill it with cherries or apple. Cherry or apple, right? Next, now if you take Anand, right? So Anand, you cannot fill cherry because already you filled with cherries on Tuesday. So you have only two options, apple or mango. Okay, now wait, you might perplex. So we have many possibilities. So how to solve it? So it is very, very simple. I will show you how to solve it. Now, definitely we have to go with trial and error. Okay, now what this trial and error says, you have to cancel one thing. You have to fix one thing. So I will change the ink color. So I will change it with green. Okay, now I fix apple for Anand on Wednesday. So I strike the grape. Now, look at the repetition. So where we have grape or apple. Now, if you take Wednesday, on Wednesday we have fixed, yes, grape or apple for Bala, right? So if you fix apple for Anand on Wednesday, you cannot fix apple for Bala on Wednesday. Okay, now you have fixed apple for Anand on Wednesday, so you cannot fix same apple for Anand on Saturday. Now, you have fixed what? Mango for Anand on Saturday. So you cannot fix mango for Anand on Friday. Now you fixed grape for Anand on Friday, so you cannot fix same grape for Anand on Thursday. So you got apple for Anand on Wednesday, and Thursday it is pineapple, for Friday it is grape, and for Saturday it is mango. So you have fixed. Now let's start for Bala. So you have fixed grape for Bala on Wednesday, so you cannot fix the same grape for Bala on Thursday. Okay, now you have fixed cherries for Bala on Thursday, so you cannot fix same cherries for Bala on Saturday. Next, coming to Dhanush, so you have to compare. Okay, so on Thursday, you have fixed what cherry for Bala. On Thursday, you have fixed cherry for Bala, so you cannot fix same cherries for Bala on Thursday. Now you have fixed grape for I'm sorry, it is Dhanush, right? So you have fixed grape for Dhanush on Thursday, so you cannot fix same grape for Dhanush on Friday. Now you fixed mango for Dhanush on Friday, so you cannot fix same mango for Dhanush on Saturday. Now we have fixed, right? So for your reference, I will underline this in a different color. So Anand eat cherries on Tuesday and apple on Wednesday and pineapple on Thursday and grape on Friday and again mango on Saturday. Next coming to Bala. So he eat mango on Tuesday and grape on Wednesday. For Thursday he will eat cherries and Friday he will eat apple and for Saturday he will eat apple. Okay, Friday it is pineapple and Saturday it is apple. Now coming to Chidambaram. So he eat pineapple on Tuesday. Wednesday he will eat cherries. Thursday he will eat mangoes, and Friday he will eat apple, and uh, Saturday he eat grapes. And coming to Dhanush, on Tuesday he eat apple, Wednesday he eat pineapple, Thursday it is grapes, and Friday it is mango, Saturday it is cherry. For in the Tuesday grapes, then mango, then apple, then cherry on Friday, then pineapple on Saturday. Now nothing repeats. Right. So based on the hints provided, we have written all the fruits for the respective person on respective dates, and we have write all the possibilities, and by using trial and error we cancelled grape, right? So if this grape doesn't work, then we have to cancel apple. Out of these two, any one we will get the answer, right? So if you cross grapes, you have to get answer for this apple. So if you cross this apple, then you will get answer for this grape, right? So this is the only rule you have to follow for data arrangement. Now you got the answer. Let's start solving the question. Which fruit does in the eat on Wednesday? Which fruit does in the eat on Wednesday? See, it is very simple. On Wednesday in the eats mango, right? So answer for first question is mango. Next, who eat mango on Tuesday? Okay, so it is very okay. Who eat mango on Tuesday? Okay, so actually we have some options here. I have excluded the options, right? So if you have on mangoes, okay. So who eats mango on Tuesday? Now Inder eats grapes on Tuesday, then Dhanush eats apple on Tuesday, then Chidambaram eats pineapple on Tuesday, Bala, he eats mango on Tuesday. So answer for this question is Bala actually. So he eats mango on Tuesday. So it is very simple, right? So if you look this kind of question in competitive examinations, you will get 5 consecutive questions from this particular paragraph. So here you have 2 questions, right? So you will get 5 such questions in competitive exams. It is very, very simple to solve, but you have to spend a little time and you need huge practice, right? So while I'm solving this kind of problems, you feel more easy, but when you start solving it, then only you feel the real complexity. So please start solving this kind of problems a lot so that you feel more comfortable during your competitive exams. And I have included some videos in our application CDTS. I hope you have downloaded the application. So if you haven't downloaded, please download it from your Play Store and share the video to your friends as well as ask them to download this application also. So in upcoming session, I will come up with some other different questions. Until that, stay connected with CareerDeed Training Solutions. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.